So welcome to the third Sunday of Advent and our reflection. The reading is from the prophet Isaiah. Isaiah talks about a time that's yet to come, when there will be healing and strength, and joy and life in abundance. The redeemed, he says, will enter Zion with singing. Everlasting joy will crown their heads. Gladness and joy will overtake them, and sorrow and sighing will flee away. But this is all in the future. So what happens right now? Well, for now, Isaiah says, hands are feeble, knees give way, and hearts are fearful. This is the place where many of us are, right here, right now. This is waiting time, a hard place to be. But waiting time is not the same as wasting time. Maybe you're waiting for test results or surgery. Maybe you're waiting at the bedside of a loved one or watching over your child. Maybe you're waiting for this earthly life to end and wondering what will happen next and how those left behind will fare without you. Isaiah speaks of a future time of joy and hope and abundant life, but he also speaks about the now, the waiting time. For the seeds of this future joy are being sown now and growing now. This is where God is now. This is what he's teaching us and where he's leading us now. In waiting, we still have one choice, and that's how we respond to it. Do we complain and long only to fast forward to a better time? Or do we choose to live this day as God's gift to us, believing that it is here that transformation is taking place? Erich Frankl was held in a concentration camp for many years. Reflecting on that time, he said, "When we can no longer change a situation, we have to look at changing ourselves." God's promise to us is that we will enter Zion with singing. Everlasting joy will crown our heads. Gladness and joy will overtake us, and sorrow and sighing will flee away. For those who wait expectantly, this isn't only a future promise, it's God's gift to us now.